Jobs in alternative energy fields. Many people who take jobs in the alternative energies research and development sector have to, at least in the beginning, take relatively low pay. Taking a job in this industry is thus not about or not predominantly about making money, although that is needless to say important, as one who is not well fed soon becomes one who is not productive at work, especially when we are considering the brain work involved in the work of researching and developing technologies in the alternative energy sector. There are those who take a job just because they find it is a fulfilling task, that they have undertaken something that is going to help mankind, or their society, or the earth herself. But in truth, what most people dream of in terms of work is a position that they at once enjoy immensely while they also are receiving good money for their time and energy. Positions in the alternative energy research and development industry often offer just such an opportunity. The alternative energy field is in need of a vast array of different positions. Many people who get into this are the kind who would keep the power plants up and running. These include plant operators or mechanics. Others are the developers of new alternative energies, engineers, scientists, and others make it all happen to start with by investing in alternative energy. So not only do these people have the blessing of an exciting and fulfilling career, but these same people are making the world a better place. The business of alternative energy is rapidly growing due to the fact that many governments are now supporting it. Investors have become excited about putting their financial backing into the alternative energy industry because they can see that it's the wave of the future, out of both need and the fact of government support. Rising oil prices make alternative energies tantalization rise in the minds of investors. As investors become more interested, there is more money available for companies to start up or expand, and that leads, of course, to more job opportunities. The U.S. government is unquestionably involved in promoting the idea of new jobs as being readily available in the alternative energy sector. According to the President, in order to achieve greater use of homegrown, renewable fuels in the United States, advanced technologies need to be researched and developed so as to be able to make ethanol from plant fibers biomass, which at the present time is merely discarded as waste material. The President's 2007 federal budget includes $150 million, a $59 million increase over the federal budget for 2006, to help with the development of biofuels derived from agricultural waste products such as wood chips, corn stalks, and switchgrass. Researchers tell us that furthering the cause of research into cellulose-based ethanol could make the technology cost competitive by 2012, while potentially displacing up to 30% of the nation's current fuel consumption. The President's plan would additionally drive on next-generation research and development of battery technology for hybrid vehicles in addition to plug-in hybrid vehicles. A plug-in hybrid runs on either gasoline or electricity, depending upon an onboard computer calculation. Driving in a city setting consumes almost no gasoline over as much as a week's time with these vehicles.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.